Where can you get really nice, high quality stones that are not Swarovski? Because we know they're hard to find right now. But you can still find them. Some people sell them. But if you can't, well, go on this website. I'll leave the name here. But this is a website I've been going to. So I got their package a couple days ago. But I've been going to their website for a while now, for years. It's been hard to find Swarovskis. Like, I used to get them a lot cheaper on Michael's, but I don't know, I haven't even gone there to check out what they have now, but they really don't have as much as they used to, at least the one in my area. So I did order the AB crystals, Lucinda crystal diamonds. So these are basically just as high quality as Swarovski, except Swarovski has much more of a higher quality. Well, not much more, but they're pretty close. But this is like really good. They're pretty much as expensive almost as Swarovski, just a little bit cheaper maybe. But I don't know. I really like these. I used to buy Swarovski too, and it weren't too different with pricing that I can remember. Then again, I don't remember. I used to just buy them because I just had to have them, but they were always very pricey. So it's not like I always have them on hand. So the other week I ran out, and I usually put them in this container, and I think I did a client. These are the ones that I have, the big ones that are shaped. So I always get this one. This is the mixed AB crystal set. So I'll leave that link down as well. I am not sponsored or anything. This is literally just what I use. Okay, so let's do a closer look. So this one is the emerald cut, which I still have. In here. And I'm going to get a new case. This is so ugly, but I just wanted to show you what they look like in the packaging. And I think I think I got this at, I don't remember, it was somewhere in Boca. The mall at Boca had it, if you guys live in Palm Beach. It's like the Container Store or something. That's where I found this. But I usually get the one from Walmart, so I'm going to go get the one from Walmart. It used to be $5, so I'm hoping it's the same price. This one is the SS7 rhinestone, so they're pretty small. And then I have, let's see, there's another small one. Oh, here they are, SS5. So these are the sizes I always carry: 5, 7, where is it? And let me see, I think it was 9. Okay, we have, I forgot what the other size is. Here it is though. Yeah, 9. So we have a size 9. So it's SS9 and then SS12. So I use 5, 7, 9, 12. If you are thinking about what numbers to get for the designs, that's the ones I like to use. And then we have the shapes, just like the emerald cut. They also gave us the raindrop. So it comes with the raindrop shapes. And it comes with the pear crystal AB. These are gorgeous. And it came with these, it just says diamond shape. Okay. Oh, 6mm diamond shape, if you're wondering the size. Because this one is, what is it? 8 by 5mm height. So they're pretty cool. Okay, and then this one is the 7.5 flame. I like the flame ones too. So let me show these up close. All right. So pretty. Yes, mommy. Yeah, you can have the bubble wrap. Go ahead. Okay. So you do get a lot. And I paid, I want to say it was like 40. I wonder if the bill says that. Hold on. Because I think it was like $50-ish with shipping. Okay, so it's $47 for the kits. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. And you pay $5 for shipping. If you want it to come quicker, you pay more. But I'm telling you, I never pay for faster shipping, and it always comes within 3 days for years. So that's one thing I like about them. They have good shipping. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you. So if you're interested in bling, I would open these, but maybe, you know what? Maybe we'll take a trip to Walmart or something and we'll get something and put these in. Because I'm not liking how when you spray the nail activator gel spray and it accidentally touches here. If I'm not being careful, then it gets all over. And now it looks ugly and my bling doesn't look blingy anymore. So this is not Swarovski and it's not Lucinda. These are the plastic ones. The difference between Swarovski, I think, and Lucinda is that they're made out of glass and not made out of the plastic. So that's why it has a way better looking shine to it. Here you can see them better. So I'm gonna show you again. These are the flame, the pear shape. These are the diamond shape, kite shape, emerald cut. This is SS 12, 9, 7, 5, and the raindrop. I love the raindrops. Okay. A secret clear nail gel resin. Add some there. It's a nice amount. And these are Lucinda crystals as well. But I had these for Valentine's Day. So they're a little bit worn out, maybe a week old, but they're still in great condition. Okay, I'm gonna put a big stone here. Oh, I hope this doesn't look bad. Let me see. No, I like it. And it's just like, ugh, gotta get it in the right. So this will be perfect for me to spray this, but I literally don't have any more. But this is what I would do. I would spray it with the nail gel resin. So you know what? I gotta order that right now. But we do have this activator by Vitamin Dip, I guess it's called. And it's the same thing. Let's just dry it faster. There we go. Maybe I should put some of that liquid in there. Okay. It's not a bad idea, actually. But anyway, let's do the other. Well, no, let's finish this one. Do something else there. Not that one. Let's do this pink one. They also have pink ones on their website as well. These are not Lucinda though. This one's actually a Swarovski crystal. Had to remove some, adding a little bit. Sometimes the wax, oh my God, what did I do? Sometimes the wax stays there, but we should really worry about that last because I didn't let my little pink one dry. All right. Around it. And I'm going to use that little brush right there to kind of go around the diamonds. Because these are more high-end, so you don't want them touching the top too much. So you take something like this to kind of make sure it's going really close near the diamonds, but not touching it. And then you can put it inside the lamp. So that's gonna be 1 minute. So let's go ahead, get our cuticle oil ready. Okay, let's go around. Ooh, that is a very blingy nail. Look at the difference when you add that cuticle oil. And this is the final outcome. What do you guys think? I love them. I actually love that big bling just there. So that is all for the video. I wish I would have had the little case for you guys to help me put them in the little case. But if you want to see more of my stone Swarovski Lucinda videos, I'll leave a playlist here somewhere. All right, guys. Bye.